Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Love, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set your channel for a massive engagement. Now, how you can be able to get this 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour in less than a month or two. Because trust me, if someone tells you post at this time, do this, those things that are telling you to do might be true, but if you do not set your channel very well, you are going to struggle. It's going to be so frustrating. So you need to know how to set your channel very well, and that's what I'll be showing you in this video, how to set your YouTube channel for an effective engagement, for a massive engagement. Now, if this is the first time of coming across my channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post a video. Now, without wasting more time, let's dive right into this.
YouTube Creator Studio. See it how you click on the first one. Now that is if your desktop mode is on. For those who are using mobile phone, you understand, whichever phone you're using. So if your desktop mode is on, this is how your interface your channel is going to show. But if your desktop mode is not on, you won't see it like this. So let's see. If it is not on, you go up here by your right hand side, you look up, you see the three dots up there. You click on the three dots, then you scroll down a bit and you will see desktop site. Now you see mine is on. So if I off it now, let's see what will happen. You understand? Now, if it is off, it can't be able to display on Chrome. I don't know if you get. You have to open it on your studio app, your channel on your studio app. Even if you set it, you might not be able to set everything. So that is why your desktop mode must be on. That's your desktop site must be on to set your channel very well. So now let's go back to our desktop site. You see here, desktop site, you turn it on. Here we have. So you see, once your desktop site is on, you already have access to everything you want to set. You understand? The next thing you're going to do, you look at your left hand side and look for customization in that icon. So once you click on that customization, this is the interface they are going to show you. Now when they show you this interface, you're not going to see anything. I've already set up this account here. I don't have any account that has been set up, so I will use this already set up account to set it up for you. You understand? Now this is the interface you're going to have after creating your channel. So if you have not created a channel, in my next video I will show you how you can create your channel. You understand? Now this is what we are going to do. I've already put in my banner. So if you want to put your banner, let's just say for instance your banner is not here. What will be here will be upload. So what I will do is I'm going to remove this banner here, so we can be able to, I can teach you how to upload your banner. Now this is what we're going to see. This is how your interface is going to be. You see how empty it is. It's just showing red, so there is nothing there. So if you want to upload your banner, now before you upload your banner, you need to know that you already have your banner in your gallery. Yeah, you already have your banner in your gallery. You want to do, let me remove my picture as well, which is the logo. Now what you're going to do is to upload the banner first. So we go to upload here, click on it. Now we move down. Here we have. So we click on the one that we want to use and then we select it. Fine. Now you see, this is what I'm saying. And let me explain to you now this interface. Once you're able to get it right like this, it will show you that on television is viewable, on desktop is viewable, on all devices is viewable. Now this is the perfect size of your banner. Now what we are going to do is to click on this dot. Yeah, you see we have uploaded our banner. Now for you to know that your banner size is accurate, let's zoom in. You see, I don't know if you get. Now this is on television, which is the biggest one. Diary of Love is showing. On laptop, Diary of Love is showing. On the phone, this is the television side. This part, sorry, this is the television part. This television part. This is laptop, and this is phone. You understand? So it's showing that on all these devices, any devices at all somebody is using, it will still show. You understand? Now that's that for that. Now let's go back to the next thing to do here. So we are going to upload our picture. Now this picture place down, you can use your own picture, like your photo, or if you don't have your logo to use, you can use your own picture. Let's upload a picture. So, and all these things, before you upload anything, you have to make sure that what you want to put there is already in your gallery. Yeah, now this is the one I'm going to use. Now let's select it. You see, this is the way it is, and you click on done. Voila. So we have successfully set our banner and our picture, our banner and our logo. You understand? The next thing you're going to do is the name. What is the name of your channel? Other story, whatever the name of your channel is where you put it. Where you see Diary of Love, name Diary of Love, you put it there. Now this handle, it is YouTube that will automatically give you this handle, not you that will write your handle by yourself. Once you put in your name, YouTube will automatically give you this handle. You understand? Yes. Now this is an important aspect. Now remember I told you that whatever thing you're setting on this channel, make sure that it tells what you want to do, not something else. And whatever thing you said this channel does, it should be what you're doing, not something else. Now this is description. On this description space, you're going to explain to your viewers, your subscribers, to YouTube algorithm what your channel is about. Your word that you're going to put here shouldn't exceed 1,000 words. You understand? Shouldn't exceed 1,000 words. As you can see, I used 932, so I even still have some remaining. So I haven't done that. The next thing you're going to do is your email. Now email that you're using for all your stuff, or everything you're registering. Before you register online, if you want to buy things online, you use that email, and then you now use the same email for your channel. You might have issue. You will not even you will have issue, and when you have issue, to be very hard for you to do what, to rectify it. So what you should do is, when you create a channel, I always advise people, when you create a channel, make sure that you do what, you create that channel email. Create an email separately for that channel using that channel name. By so doing, you don't have any problem with anything. You know that this channel, now this email is for this channel. So that's that. So this is where you put your email. This is where you put your email. Now let's say I remove it and I want to put my email. Whatever the email you want to use is, you just write it down. Or if you don't have it, come in. Now this is it. Now just write your email. So far as the email is already set in your Gmail, if it's already there, once you type the email, it will appear. I don't know if you understand me. Once you type it, it will appear here, and then you click and put it inside. You get what I'm saying? Now the next thing you're going to do is called video watermark. You know all those movies you watch, all those Hollywood movies, Ushe Montana, Ruth Kadiri, and all of the likes. If you're watching their movie, you always see their name displaying on the screen. You always see them displaying their name. That's their watermark. Now it shows that this is what this particular movie belongs to them. Want any video you're doing at all, whatever thing you're creating, your name should always display, or your channel name should always display on the video. This is where you put it. So me, I don't want to put that, because on phone it doesn't display on phone. Yeah. If I use my laptop now to do it, it might display, but if I set it here with my phone, it might not display. I've done it several times, it didn't work. So that is that for that. Now this first interface, we are done. I want to show you that you look down your left hand side, you will see a certain icon. Here is it. You click on the certain icon, it will bring you to this aspect of the channel. You see general, you see channel, you see upload default, permission, community, moderation, agreement. Now this is where you're going to set like if you want, you know, all those SEO, right? Understand? You're a chef and you cook, you are a hairdresser, you braid hair and all that. Now here you're going to put all those things, so that when imagine somebody wants to come and search how to cook, your video can pop up. This is where you're going to set that. How to make hair, the algorithm can be able to push your video to appear. So this is where you set all of that. Now
that's the end of today's video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do not forget to also turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post a video. Now thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.